Just passing through. Excuse me. This is something out of Avery's era. Where did you get this?
Friend, that is a very unique item. I'll give you a discount. $500.
Are you kidding? I don't even know if it's real. Give you $50 for it.
$400, and it's real. How do the buyers interested in business?
Come on, man. 200, okay? That's all I have on me.
I cannot possibly part with it for less than 300. That is my final offer.
All right, I'll take it. 300.
Nate, really?
Done.
You see that? That's how you haggle.
You say so.
Apple. Buy my fresh apple. Only 1,500 area. Sir, would you try an apple?
Okay,
Best
fine,
apples
fine.
in the market.
Here.
Thank you very much, sir. Enjoy your apple. And tell your friends.
Hey there, little guy. How you doing? Hey, you like that? Huh?
Nate, tower.
Yeah, but Sully, come on, it's a lemur. Come on, come say hi.
It's all right.
So cute. Whoa! Hey, Sully! Hey! He stole my apple!
Can't trust anyone these days. Oh, man. Something smells really good.
Look out.
Sont des haricots de limo tropicaux.
Hey, here we go. Locked. Guess we're gonna have to sneak in.
Discreetly.
Implied by the use of the word sneak, Sully. Hey, Sully. Think we can squeeze through here.
That'll work. Jesus. Long way down.
You okay back there?
You keep your pace. I'll keep mine.
Yeah, well, at least you got a great view, right? Okay, let's see what we got.
Wow. This place is in much better shape than the other towers.
That's right in the middle of the city.
Might make getting the treasure out a bit tricky.
One thing at a time. Let's just not draw undue attention to ourselves.
This is a very tall clock tower.
Yes. Yes, it is. Now, what do you bet?
Scorpion? Guy with a large pitcher?
Zodiac symbols. Look, there's Leo.
Ah, Taurus?
4 signs.
4 bells, way up there. And these things in the middle of the floor look like locks.
Got it. Let's go ring some bells. This is definitely the place. Call Sam.
On it.
Scorpio, Aquarius, Leo, Taurus.
Voicemail. Hey, Sam. Looks like we're at the right tower. Call us. They don't have the best coverage in this city.
Well, no reason to wait. I'll be right back. Okay. Oh, boy. I'll be damned. Check it out, Sully. The clock still works.
Yeah, I noticed. Try not to get tangled in those gears up there.
You bet. move. It's too close. You okay?
Yeah, all right.
Okay, watch your fingers, Nate.
Gotta be nervous?
No, good. Trust me.
Where have I heard that before?
Scorpio. That Avery was a Scorpio. Okay, that is really loud.
Hey, Nate, that did the trick. The Scorpio lock just released.
Okay, moving on to the next one. Aquarius? Always nice people.
Two down, two to go, kid.
Let's see here. Leo. I dated a Leo once.
Leo is unlocked.
Okay, one left. Feeling a little nauseous here. Okay, got it. Hey, Sully, any word from Sam? Yeah, he's probably fine. He just forgot to charge his phone. Thank you.
Hey, that did it. Taurus is unlocked and Avery's sigil just appeared in the floor. Damn. That's it. Nothing.
Well, hey, there is that big bell at the top. Hold on. Heading on up. Okay. Here we go. Uh-oh. Better move. Whoa, whoa, whoa! That was fun. Wow. This is a nice view. I can change the time here. No, no. Oh, there you are. Okay, Sully, I made it! I can practically see my house from up here. This is gonna be loud. Sully, heads up! Sorry, handle broke. I'm gonna have to ring it myself. Here we go. Go, climb. Gotta get up. Holy shit.
Jesus Christ.
Hey, Sully. Oh, shit. At least I got the door open, though, huh?
That's one way to do it. You all right?
I don't know yet. You?
Jeff?
Come on. Let's see what Avery has in store for us. All right.
Hey, look. The coin. You want it?
Yeah, sure, why not? Let's see what's down here.
Fingers crossed for piles of gold and jewels. Sam, finally, you okay?
Just searched my tower. I got nothing.
Yeah? No. We're definitely in the right place. Make your way over here.
Are you serious? Okay, I'm on my way.
He's coming.
Good. Sully.
Way ahead of you. Whoa. Hey, are those our boys?
Yep. Henry Avery, Thomas too. Partners in crime. Founders. Founders of what?
Worst scavenger hunt ever?
There are Avery and two sigils. These are a little different, though.
Yeah. They got those star patterns on them.
They turn. But which way? Whoa.
Okay. Should we go look?
Yeah, just a second.
More pirate symbols.
Adam Baldridge, Anne Bonny, and Christopher Condent. I mean, there's too many permutations.
I say we see where that door leads. Still hoping for some treasure, yeah?
Hey, look, I was right. Baldridge, Bonny, and Condent.
Splendid. But why are they here in the first place?
Well, let's find out. Wow, that mustache. It's almost as impressive as yours. Look at these stars. They're just like the ones on the Avery and two sigils in the other room.
Hey, you're right.
Ah, that's right. Condent went by Billy One Hand. Here's another one of those star patterns.
Yeah, but this one's different than that first one.
Oh, yeah. Good catch.
Thank you. See, I'm not just a pretty face. What do you think?
Those Avery and two sigils. The stars on those lined up, remember? I bet these line up too.
Hmm.
Voila.
Add another doorway.
Yeah.
So, who are these guys?
That's... They are,
You don't know, do you?
Hey, there were a lot of pirates out there, you know?
So we're stuck.
No, we're not stuck. Give me your phone.
What, you're gonna phone a friend?
Close. Text a brother. Sully, say cheese.
Nate, come on.
Come on, say cheese.
Cheese.
There.
You know, these are actually some nice paintings. If we don't find the treasure, maybe we could sell them to a museum.
Let's find those star patterns.
Okay, just saying.
William Mays.
American?
Yeah, from Rhode Island. Just like Thomas, too. Hey, you still in the tower?
Yeah, just climb back down. What's with the picture you just sent?
I'll fill you in later. For now, just tell me who's who.
Well, the dolphins are Richard Want, the trident is Joseph Farrell, and the two hands with the pearl is William Mays.
All right, great. Just stay where there's good reception. I might need your help again.
Nathan, did you find the treasure?
Not yet, but I got a mechanism to solve here. I'll let you know.
Books, globe. This one guy looks like a scholar.
Hey, Richard Want. He was the captain of the Dolphin.
Whew. Looks like he and Baldridge were in a best wig competition.
Hey, Sully, give me a hand.
You got it.
Thanks. Is it straight?
Who the hell cares?
Well, I care. There.
God, look at Farrell's face. Looks like he'd rather be anywhere else.
There.
Okay. So who do we have here?
Uh,
You know, I'm honestly shocked you don't know this stuff.
no, I do. I just want to make sure Sam knows. You know, because he likes to feel useful, that's all.
Aha, of course. Shit. What happened here?
A torch probably fell or something. Come on, let's see what's left. I don't recognize this guy.
Looks a lot younger than the other pirates.
Ooh, Sam texted me back. Ah, see there, Sully? Turns out Sam doesn't know everything either. Huh. No name. This guy's getup looks Moorish. Found the stars, but who are you? Huh. Yazid al-Basra.
Looks Indian.
Close. Muggle.
Wait, aren't the Muggles the ones Avery robbed?
Honor among thieves.
Yeah, like that's ever the case.
Edward England.
Stout little fellow.
All right, I got the names of two of them. We should still be able to figure this out. Boom.
What do we got?
Not sure yet.
Maybe send it to Sam?
Really?
Hey, you're the one who said he's the pirate expert. Just saying.
Okay, that's one. And two. Last one. All right, let's see what he makes of them.
You know, that kinda looks...
Hold on.
What are you doing? You just took pictures.
Hold that. You know, Avery's recruits wouldn't have had smartphones, obviously.
Obviously.
So this would have been the only way for them to get to the next clue.
These are clues.
Yeah, let me see. Voila.
Oh, all right. These could be trade winds. Yeah, and these look like latitudes.
Yeah.
And I would guess that we are packing our bed again, Boyle. What?
Prodeus quod licentia. No, it can't be.
Can't be what?
Oh my God, so obvious.
Nate.
Why didn't I see this before?
Jesus, enough of the beautiful mind shit. What the hell are you talking
Just
about?
hang on. Sam, did you get the photos?
Here I am. I'm calling what I thought was Sullivan's phone, and look who picks up. How you been, Nate?
Hey, Rafe. It's been a long time. How did you get this number? Sullivan leave it on a cocktail napkin?
I wish. That only would have cost me a few shots of rum, right? No, I had to pay top dollar to find you guys.
Yeah. I hope you didn't spend too much on this whole Avery thing. I hear the competition's fierce.
Yeah, you pulled off some clever moves there. But in the end, all that matters is who gets to Avery's treasure first.
Well, that sounds like a bet.
Hey, Nate, you know I'm always game, but my partner, well, she prefers to mitigate unnecessary risks.
Wow. Rafe Adler, taking orders from somebody else. Oh, how times have changed.
Look, Nate, I'm gonna make you a one-time offer here. You drop everything. Go home, live your life. I'm willing to forgive and forget. For old time's sake.
As tempting as that sounds, Rafe.
I gotta say, I'm not normally the kind of guy who likes to quit while he's ahead.
Okay. Prodeus quod licentia, for God and liberty. These are nice pictures, Nate. Good composition.
You hacked our phones.
You stole my cross. Listen, Nate. If you're half as smart as you think you are, you'll accept my offer. What's it gonna be?
Listen, as nice as it's been to catch up with you, I really gotta take this call, so...
Well, Nate, one more thing. Nate,
What?
you do realize that your phones are equipped with GPS, right? I'll see you soon, buddy.
Shit.
Let me guess. Goons with guns on their way here now.
Sam,
For God and liberty. Nathan, do you understand what this means?
Sam, listen to me.
get off the streets right now and destroy
Your phone.
What's going on?
Rafe knows where we are. All right, you gotta find someplace to hide.
Sam? Sam! Damn it.
Hey!
I'll buy you a new one.
Okay.
Sully. I think that's Sam's tower.
Well, it's definitely Sam's tower. Come on. This way. Pardon me.
Excuse me? Excuse me, how long you think before Rafe gets here?
Let's not stick around to find out.
Sorry, pal.
Come on, down here, Nate. Nate, look out!
Everyone out of the way! Kidding me? No, 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 no!
You know, I'm not 100% sure, but I think they grabbed us.
They're surrounding us!
God, no! Nate, good work. Up the stairs!
So, having fun yet?
Oh, real blast.
You good?
Great. Laura,
How do we get to Sam?
we just keep heading downhill. Next, more of them.
Hang on!
Oh, Christ. We need to keep heading downhill.
Get out of the way!
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Careful! Damn! That goddamn truck again! Crap! Please don't run anyone over!
Sorry!
God damn it! We gotta shake that truck!
Working on it!
Hey, that was clean long.
They can watch it again! It's like a maze here.
Well, just keep heading down.
Hang on!
Where the hell are you going?
You're the one who said get down!
Jeez!
Coming through!
Well, this was really a great idea, Nate.
Do you want to drive?
Oh, you're doing just fine.
See? I got it. Oh, my crap! These guys don't give up. Okay, through here.
Oh, stop, stop, stop!
Stick shift.
Come on, get out of here.
Okay.
Go!
I'm just gonna cut through here. What am I supposed to do now?
Hey, up the stairs!
Here we go.
Oh, no!
Man, Rafe really wants us out of the picture.
Do you think?
I think we lost him.
Hey, Nate,
Yeah?
we can never, ever come back to this city.
Add it to the list.
Ah. Whoa, 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 watch it!
Really?
You got a 4x4, go around.
All right. Let's see that truck get past that. Oh, come on!
Come right! Wait!
Don't worry, I got this.
I got this!
No, I don't got this!
Oh, shit!
We're close. Keep an eye out for Sam.
Hey, I think that's him. Right there!
Hold on!
What do you think I've been doing?
How do we get to him?
I know. Just keep following that convoy. Come here. You think they sent enough goons after us?
Well, we're still alive, so maybe not.
Sorry about the chicken. Hey, we need to hurry.
Come on!
There they are.
You see any way to get to Sam?
Not yet. We're running out of road, kid.
I know.
Nate. Nate.
Here, take the wheel.
What? Get out of your goddamn mind.
Sam. Sam's getting too far away. Catch up with Sam. Time to find a new ride! Gotta get to Sam fast. Find a new ride! goddamn car!
I'm faster! Stop arguing!
Watch out! Get out of here!
No blimmin' way he could have survived that.
Why chance it?
That's not good.
Holy shit, he's still alive!
Here, take this! How we doing back there? Not good! Not good at all! He's shooting! I am! I hate this truck! Hang on, Nathan! Damn, it's right up on us! Going as fast as I can! It's gotta be close!
Holy shit.
Yeah,
You good?
yeah. All right, let's get out of here.